Today, Avanshika Jain of 12th D is here to deliver my speech on the topic World Population Day. So here I begin. World Population Day is an international level awareness campaign being celebrated all over the world to call people on the stage to know the reason of the exploding population year by year and solve the biggest mistake of the human fraternity. This great event is to bring population revolution globally, as well as breaking sleep of the deeply slept people to pay their full attention and help in combating this population issue. It is celebrated on 11 July every year. 1987 was the first time when this day was recognized and celebrated. The United Nations organization was the one that turned the coin for this day. At that time, the population had already crossed 5 million, and due to which the exploding population had become a reason of concern for the whole world. Human overpopulation is most of the pressing environmental issues, silently aggravating the environmental pollution, habitat loss, global warming, and the consumption of extinct natural resources such as fresh water, fossil fuels at the speed faster than their rate of generation. The ecological issues are just the beginning. Moreover, overpopulation is the major concern in the countries like India and China. At last, the primary aim of the World Population Day is to create awareness about the reproductive issues, and it also empowers the young generation to know the increasing population issues such as family planning and many more. Thank you and have a nice day.
श्रुति बरगली कक्षा 11वीं की छात्रा आप सभी के समक्ष विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। सर्वप्रथम मैं आपको विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहूँगी। विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। जैसा कि हमें पता है, पृथ्वी पर जनसंख्या रेट धीरे धीरे बढ़ता जा रहा है। विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस पूर्ण विश्व में 11 जुलाई को मनाया जाता है। इस दिवस को मनाने का मुख्य कारण हर व्यक्ति को जनसंख्या संतुलन और बढ़ती आबादी के बारे में जागरूक करना है। अब मैं अपनी कविता आरंभ करने जा रही हूँ, जो कुछ इस प्रकार है। पृथ्वी को बढ़ती आबादी की समस्या के प्रति जगाना है। पृथ्वी को बढ़ती आबादी की समस्या के प्रति जगाना है। दुनिया भर में तरक्की का यह संदेश फैलाना है। जनसंख्या जो तेजी से बढ़ रही है, बहुत सी समस्याएं पैदा हो रही हैं। खाद्यपान संकट खड़ा हो गया। ऊर्जा संकट बड़ा हो गया। भूखमरी चारों ओर बढ़ी। गरीबी की समस्या सामने है खड़ी। होगा अगर छोटा और स्वस्थ परिवार, तब होगा वहाँ खुशियों का संसार। नहीं रहेगी किसी की कोई भी इच्छा अधूरी। होगी सबकी हर जरूरत पूरी। सबको मिलेगा बराबर अधिकार। तब नहीं होगा कोई भी अनाचार। होंगे सबके सुंदर और सात्विक विचार। तब होगा मानव का विकास। अब मैं अपनी कविता को चंद पंक्तियों द्वारा विराम देना चाहूंगी, जो कुछ इस प्रकार है। आबादी को ऐसे बढ़ाओ, पृथ्वी को जनसंख्या के दबाव से बचाओ। आबादी पर करो नियंत्रण। आबादी पर करो नियंत्रण, तरक्की को दो आमंत्रण, तरक्की को दो आमंत्रण। धन्यवाद, आप सभी का दिन शुभ हो।
I am Khyati Joshi of 9th standard and today I am sharing my views on World Population Day. Every year on the 11th of July, World Population Day is celebrated. On this day, in the year 1987, the population of the world reached a figure of 5 billion people. Ever since then, the UN designated this day as World Population Day. The primary purpose of the celebration of this day is to address the concern of a rapidly growing population. The population has been increasing by leaps and bounds. It's a burning issue that requires an urgent remedy. Also, a long time is required for these remedies to become effective. China, India, and the US are the top 3 countries with largest populations. Increasing population is also harming the environment as there is an increase in pollution and global warming. Added to this is the depletion of natural resources like water, air, and land. These resources can't be produced by us. The natural resources to support existence are limited, but their consumption keeps on increasing every year. The quick consumption of these resources will lead to tremendous loss. Given this fact, a day will arrive soon when the earth will run out of resources to contain humans' life, and that would be the doomsday. So here I end my speech. Thank you and have a nice day.